water. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to, my voice is so raspy. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Life with Latrice. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing another hair mask. You guys should know by now that I love doing hair masks, DIY hair masks. I actually have a whole book that I write some of the ingredients down. So today I'm doing a little different one. This one I've never tried before. That's why I wanted to share it with you guys. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all my new and my old subscribers and helping me grow my channel. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. Okay guys, so today I am doing, it's called Strengthening Banana Hair Mask. Like I said, this is my first time trying this, so we will see how this goes. So I'm just gonna kind of like jump into it as to what I need. So first thing you guys need is a half of banana. This is actually a little bit more than half. Okay, half a banana, 1 egg, and I think I'm gonna get a bigger bowl. I was gonna use this bowl, but I think it might be a little too small for me to use. So 1 banana, an egg, and you wanna beat the egg until it's frothy. So keep that in mind. And then you're going to do 1 tablespoon of unrefined coconut oil. I got this coconut oil from Trader Joe's. You can kind of get coconut oil wherever you want to, but just make sure that it's unrefined. So 1 tablespoon. And then you're gonna also mash the banana as well. So mash the banana and also make sure the egg is beaten to frothy. And then last, you're going to add some honey. Me and Seth get this honey from a local, like, I guess you can say honey market. It's called Desert Queen Honey. This one is Desert Bloom. So you're gonna use 1 tablespoon of honey too. You can actually use 1 tablespoon or half a tablespoon. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon. And you're gonna drop that in there. All right, so now you can mix all of it together. You can choose to mash the banana before you add everything together. Bethany, stop. Not the camera. You can choose to mash the banana if it's easier for you before you mix everything together, and also beat the egg before you mix everything together. I actually just put everything, if you can see it, I think it might be good. Move, Rocco, move. Go get in the cage. In the neck is just the food my dog's want to be involved. So I kind of just mixed everything together. You can see it, just like a square, but you get the point. So now I'm gonna mix it. Alright guys, so now it's mixed. I'm going to show you guys the consistency of it. Alright, so you kind of want it to look like this. You see I got the banana smoothed out and everything is mixed together. So that's kind of the consistency you want to have, just so that it's easier to apply to your hair. So I'm gonna actually sit this in the refrigerator for a couple of seconds. You don't really have to do that, but I'm going to kind of need to wash my hair first. I'm gonna be doing an apple cider vinegar rinse, and then I'm going to add this mask into it. So I'm just gonna sit this in the refrigerator, and I will get back to you guys once it's time for me to apply it. Okay guys, so I did the apple cider vinegar rinse, and my hair's been drying a little bit, and now I'm going to apply the strengthening banana hair mask. So basically this hair mask, oh, my hair is super soft right now. Wow, it's like a pillow. Okay, so basically this hair mask, I'm doing this hair mask because my hair, since I say this every video I do a hair, my hair suffers from dryness a lot because of where we live at, and also the hard water that I have to use on my hair. I'm actually thinking about getting a filter for a shower, but ever since I moved here, my hair has suffered like drastically from being dry. So I have to make sure I'm constantly doing hair masks and conditioning my hair so that I won't have to go through breakage. So that's why I am doing this hair mask. Now you see why I do a lot of hair masks. You'll see, like I said in my video earlier, you'll see I'm always into doing different hair masks, and I do a lot of DIY ones. So it's to kind of like help my hair to kind of like maintain that moisture, keep hydrated from, you know, breaking and being brittle. Because I did experience that when I first got here. I didn't really know that like my hair would be affected so much by the weather being dry and also by this hard water. I didn't know my hair would be affected as much as it was. So that's kind of why I got into a lot of DIY hair masks and protein treatments and deep conditioners, just to kind of help my hair from keeping it from breaking off. So that's why I'm doing this strengthening banana hair mask today. Alright, so now I'm going to apply this hair mask. I'm going to suction my hair forward like I usually always do when applying anything, and then I'm going to get it in. This is how the hair mask is looking. It's been in the refrigerator this whole time. I ain't trying to spill it, but it's in the refrigerator. There you go. This whole time. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I applied it all over my head in sections. This is the last section that I did. As you can see, has a little bit of chunks of banana and coconut in it, but that's fine, it will rinse out. So I have a little bit more left. I'm just going to go back around again and put on any spots that I still need a little bit extra, and then I will get back to you guys once I'm done doing that. Alright guys, so it is all applied in my hair now. I'm probably going to leave this on for like 20 or 30 minutes. I'm going to steam this time. Last time I did the avocado mask, I was just being lazy and didn't feel like steaming my hair. But this time, I'm going to go ahead and steam while this mask is on my hair. And as you guys know, I have the steamer that I got from Shane. I'm actually going to invest in another steamer. That one's kind of like a little cheap steamer. But I'm going to invest in like something a little bit better. If you guys know any steamers that you guys use or like, let me know. Alright guys, so I'm going to use my steamer and steam my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then I will get back with you guys once I'm done steaming it. Probably once I rinse it out, then I'll get back with you guys. I'm thinking about just doing like a wash and go style today, because I don't really do that much on my hair, but I'm gonna let my hair be natural today. So I'll get back to you guys once I rinse this out. Alright guys, so I have the hair mask rinsed. So I have the hair mask rinsed out, and so now I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm just gonna do like a wash and go type of style today.
Cause you gotta wash and go.
and I'm gonna get back with you guys with stuff. Okay guys, so my hair is rinsed out. So this is what I'm going to say before I style my hair. I would recommend, if you guys decide to do this, is sectioning your hair in fours when rinsing out. So basically what I did was, once I rinsed it at first, I kind of rinsed the whole thing out, but it was so much bandana in there, I went like 5 times to rinse my hair. So then last time I ended up sectioning in fours and taking like the little sink thingy, I can't remember the part right now, and I ended up like spraying it down like that, and that's when it came out. And once I did that, then I put the acai conditioner in there that I showed you guys that I used last time. I put that in there after, and so now I can say that it's pretty much out. There's just one piece like here. Overall with the hair mask, I do like it a lot. I do felt like after I even like set under the steamer and stuff like that, I felt like my hair instantly felt moisturized. And I don't know, it brought a shine back to my hair. My hair is still soft and manageable, so I do like that. Like I said, the only downfall was trying to get that banana out, and it has literally been all day that I've been doing that. So I would recommend sectioning your hair when trying to rinse the banana out, just to make sure that you don't have all this white stuff in your hair. But I'm just gonna style my hair, guys. I'm not really gonna show that part because it's not really part of the video. I more so wanted to show you the hair mask and how my hair looks after it, just in case you guys want to try it too. So once I got my hair styled, I will get back with you.